America's demand for safe, smart, and sustainable electrification has never been greater. That's why ABB is expanding its electrification business in the United States. Our tour across America takes us to Selmer, Tennessee, rich in history and culture. It's also home to ABB's Busway manufacturing facility. Busway is an electrical distribution system that enables facilities to move power safely and effectively in operations. As a matter of fact, ABB's Selmer facility has been a leading producer of busway for the US and globally for around 50 years. ABB's busway can be found in many applications, including data centers, some of the most iconic high-rise towers, and automotive factories, to name a few. But in the middle of the summer of 2020, this quiet community faced an unprecedented challenge.
We have breaking news. Massive flooding has caused a state of emergency for the city of Selmer.
Millions of gallons of floodwater entered the plant, leaving several ABB employees trapped. Fortunately, they were all rescued safely by boat. Despite the catastrophic damage, the ABB team pressed forward in their commitment to quickly come back online for customers, better than ever.
Our main focus was getting operations back up and running to serve our customers, but we also looked at this as an opportunity to build a platform for growth for the future by adding 30% capacity so we can better serve our customers with improved lead times, improved short cycle service, and an overall improved customer experience. We're also investing in laser welding, epoxy insulation systems, and finishing systems to build upon an already strong product quality reputation in the industry.
Now the entire product line has been redesigned to include ABB's leading low-voltage circuit breaker technology. And the product is engineered and manufactured largely in-house at this same facility. ABB Selmer reaches a new level of energy efficiency with modern LED lighting, HVAC systems, boilers, and scrubbers.
After the flood, we have risen even stronger. It really means a lot to our community because we've been building busway here for 50 years. And ABB has really shown its commitment to both Selmer, Tennessee, and to our customers.
ABB investments in the United States provide our partners with safe, smart, and sustainable electrification across America.